MERALCO Bolts final lineup for 2023-24 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Aaron Black,
Crossing over, Belga puts it up. Yeah, that's gonna be it. What? Sinungaling ko I did not have the heart to do the hard work. Ano, di ba? Pulang side. Madali na yung reason niya. Luigi just sandali. Relax. Aaron will flick it up from 3. Ang sagot, hindi. Palaki siya. Oh, nice floater. So, you know, real good 3-point attempt. Oh, he gets it this time. Airball yung kanina. Airball.
Diego Dario,
Torres with a pick. Dario lines it up. Yes. Second triple of the game para kay Diego. Oh, Maliksi goes to Johnson. Back to Dario. Diego wide open. Fadeaway is good. Dario with 11 in this game. Diego Dario turns the corner. Scoop layup. It's good for Dario. Para dito sa Meralco, they have one remaining on their schedule. That's July 28 against Rain or Shine. Samantala itong Blackwater. That's continuation right there for Dario. Nung bumuka na yung depensa, dahil gumagawa na yung iba, tsaka na nagtrabaho itong si Wami. As Dario knocks it home from the... Yeah, that's a long play para di...
Chris Banquero,
Tied, Banquero drives hard and scores.
It refreshed his drive in this conference, remembering how he started. And not only that, but more so the fact that he's now in the position to inspire thousands of kids. Whether it be his shooting, his defense, or all the little things he does on the court.
They've tried everything. Here's a pass to the corner. Banquero free for 3.
Oh, yes.
Yes!
Got it to go. But number one, Meralco's going small ball. Si KJ McDaniels yung yung receiver nila dyan sa loob. And he has been really getting a lot of rebounds. But this guy really has been shooting very well.
Much better offense for both teams as Banquero slices through the defense.
This is the strength of Meralco. I mean,
Cliff Hodge,
Goes down low to Hodge. He has the size advantage against MTR. Just takes out MTR for the easy shot inside. You know what they say naman, they just have to see go through the net yung mga scorers.
actually, Barangay Nebre has gotten 3 straight wins as Hodge sneaks through. You know, especially when no matter what happens with you, whether you win or you lose, you did something right. And that's something players can definitely look back at. Look at that drive or that attack.
The defense has also been locating him already. That's why his shots are more and more difficult here in the third and fourth quarter.
Cliff Hodge trying to get it back and he will be successful.
Goes to set this one up. Nakakita ng puwa.
Chris Newsom,
Okay.
Ayun, si Newsom naman. Atake. Bagsak siya, Cueva. Figuro, goes.
Newsom. Oh, that's huge. A 3-pointer for Nunu.
Because he's getting away with a lot of offensive boards.
He has indeed collected 4 so far in the game. Here's Newsom in the box. Newsom from 17, pockets it. He's down to 10.
Anjo Karam,
They can definitely do that with the win here against Santiago. Kara breaks a 3 from beyond the arc. Maliksi sways. Kara releases. Kara delivers from deep. In a way, the magic bullet for Norman Black. Kara. Parang kaning mainit yun nung mapaso na luwa. Kara to the baseline. Nagpalitrato pa. When Wiley was in with numbers. In the meantime, here's Mazan.
And for Anjo Cara, this is his first appearance.
And a big basket right away.
Wow.
Bong Quinto,
Sa big virtual championship, yung mangyayari bukas sa Dumaguete City, Rain or Shine, and the Magnolia Hotshot been playing so well. It was 21-12 late in the first quarter. 12 puntos po yung terra firma at that juncture. Ngayon lamang sila, 34-27. Montalvo and Reyes both on the bench of TNT as Quinto comes away after that timeout. Deliano, hinahanap si Chongson. Steal by Quinto. Bong in the foot race. Quinto will slam it home. As they cut the lead down to 1, 14-13. Quinto behind the back. All the way. Highlight play for Quinto.
Raymond Almasan,
Almazan naghahanap up against the sophomore in Justin Arana. Almazan, the hook. Nice move.
Almazan harap mo sa kay GP Pauno, now backing down. Almazan is a great scorer with his left hand.
Minsan, iniiwan talaga siya just to be able to double the other big man. Great defense for Raymond Almazan. Bongkito, naghahanap.
Nice dish. Nice dish. What a play there. What a play for Meralco.
Alain Maliksi,
Maliksi against Nieto. The best against the rook. Well, not a rook, but look at that. Half spin.
Alain against Hopia. The college guy against the veteran. Ooh, gets a shot. Lost the foul. Slowing things down. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Para dito sa Meralco. Balingsi. Big shot. Balingsi with a big three.
Barana, parang nagpostura siyang point guard. Parang siya muna yung nag-misdirect tapos sabay dish off.
Maliksi, look at that fake, and he finishes over.
Alvin Pasaol,
JP Mokonata was scheduled for a panimong. So, pinakakasal lang ni JP. So,
Raymar. Pasaon. Bodying up against Mamuya. Power move and it's dropped para kay Alvin.
and taas ng field goal percentage ng Phoenix. No? Galing talaga sa big men yung Omensa. Pasaol with the fake. Alvin with a drive. And he will get a friendly bounce underneath.
And si Anjo, babawi. Out to Pasaol. Pasaol against Mike Nieto.
Again, nakikita natin si Coach Luigi imploring his squad to play a little bit faster. No? Subukan bilisan yung laban. Pero ang hirap nga naman gawin consistently without your main point guard.
Raymar Jose,
Inside Jose. Oh, nice move by Jose.
Yeah, they give a little look to CBC.
Karap. Ito pa sa all. Jose open to the outside. Jose with a three.
In transition. Hesitation. Boom.
Jose, off that Dario pass scores.
Raymar showing some ball handling. Here we go again. Here we go again. Look at the reaction of that bench. Nagtayuan natin Meralco.
Jansen Rios,
Rios fakes the three. Drives closer. Glides in the air.
Not able to sink. That put back. Takbo tayo sa kabilang banda. Rios for three. Some bigger responsibilities na eh. Di ba iba na eh? Di ba just the PBA? Di pwedeng score sa lahat. Scorer ka lang.
Averaging 12.1 points, pero in their last two games, ang layo niya dun sa 12.1 average na yun. It looks like he's on his way to another big game. However, it's still the three-point shooting Coach Jolly of Meralco.
Correct. Sinali nila si Quinto. Bong with a slash and the drop. Reverse. Rios is good.
Norbert Torres,
Establish their defense. Frankie Johnson to Norbert. Norbert, just inside the three-point line.
Hindi na rin tumatalab ah.
Opportunities na lang hinahanap.
Hard to matake. Binigay kay Norbert Torres. The push shot is good.
3 points right away here in the second half for Paul. Norbert will hit as well. Gets it back.
Big man game with Norbert. Cross-court pass. Quinto thought about it. Guys, baseline back to Torres. Wide open jumper is good para kay Norbert Torres. Usually, puro Wami napapansin natin. Ngayon, Wami's taken one shot. It was a miss. As Torres makes that one.
Kyle Pascual,
Alain. Flip to Pascual. They move that ball around and they get 2 points as well.
Quinto, punta kay Karap. Kapatid kay Quinto, Pascual wants to post up Chan. Gets the shot, gets the basket once again.
He already stands as well with 8 points at this point, I think. Pascual!
That's why they were able to come back from a big deficit.
Maxi. Pocket pass down low, Pascual with a reverse.
Marvin Lee Karam picks up his dribble, goes to Almazan. Raymond, another drop pass. Kyle Pascual has been a recipient of so many nice looks from
Brandon Bates,
In the corner, they're much aware now of Brandon Vienes. Vienes tries a hook on Bates, not a good. Melesio, what a move to escape. Algin flipped it up, no goal. Bates to Santillan. And much like at the start of the first period, Santillan gets them their first. As Bates underneath, there it is. It's the height advantage. PS Bankable assisted in this quarter. Their lead is down to 2. Montalvo to tie. No. Bates offensive rebound. Bates couple of minutes and Bates equalizes at 45.
I think it's probably a choice by Coach Olsen.
Stopped it this time, rejected by Brandon May.
Suleiman Braimo, and Sean Jackson. Bago ang lahat mga ka-greatest, lilinawin lang natin lahat ng basketball update natin dito. Lahat totoo at hindi puro rumors. Kaya naman, pakisuportahan nyo naman po ang ating YouTube channel na ito na Greatest Fireball TV. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe para lagi kayong ma-update sa mga susunod pa nating legit basketball update.